Hello, welcome to our channel Farkas World History. In this video we will talk about one of the powerful empire of India, the Maurya Empire. Chandragupta first gained the power in the Ganges Valley building a large army, then he conquered the northern India. His son and grandson pushed the south, adding much of the Deccan to their empire from 321 BC to 185 BC. Chandragupta maintained order through a well-organized bureaucracy. Royal officials supervised the building of roads and harbors to benefit the trade. Other officials collected taxes to manage the state-owned factories. A brutal but efficient secret police reported on corruption, crime, and deceit within the empire. He was fearful of his enemies. He had specially trained women guard in his palace, while servants tasted his food to protect him from poisoning. The most honored Maurya Empire was Chandragupta's grandson Asoka. When he became the emperor, he fought into bloody wars to conquer the Deccan region of Kalinga. Asoka turned his back on further conquest. He converted to Buddhism, rejected the violence, and resolved the rule by moral example. Asoka had a stone pillars set up across India announcing the laws and promising the righteous government. Asoka took steps to help his children by building the road, rest houses for travelers, and hospitals. Asoka became vegetarian and limited the Hindu animal sacrifice. He sent the missionaries, women as well as men across the India and Sri Lanka. He paved the way for the later spread of Buddhism throughout Asia. Asoka's rules brought peace and prosperity, and he helped and united the deserved people within his empire. After his death, however, the Maurya powers declined. By 185 BC. Rival princes again battled for power across the northern plain. If you are a history lover, please like our video, subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon so it will help when we upload a new video. You will get a notification.